Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel Technology Journey. Today I will show you some of my favorite accessories from Pitaka. Maybe you know this brand. I think it's very popular not only in the Czech Republic, I think maybe across of whole Europe. And I have 5 interesting accessories not only for your Apple Watch or iPhone, but maybe for your traveling. Because the first I will talking about the travel wallet alternative tech lives with Pitaka, and second some cases, Pitaka Air Case, Pitaka MagEZ with military drop protection, Apple Watch, and of course your favorite Apple Watch links. Let's go! Alternative Tech Life, Pitaka Accessories. The first I have the MagEZ Travel Kit, the lightweight carbon fiber wallet. Okay, here is the bag and inside here is a travel kit. I think this is the very useful device, especially if you like traveling, because with the Type-C charging cable and adapters, change almost any device while you travel. Charging is no problem now. Here is the built memory card reader, here, and of course reader and USB flash drive, just built-in memory, and slot for spare SIM card or micro SD cards and SIM eject tool. I think it's very useful. I like it, especially this one. On the other side, you have a digital travel kit holds for up to 3 chips and PIN cards or of course business cards. Together 10 accessories win one. One package, very light, minimalistic, just amazing. Magnetic layers and store or transfer your data. Of course there is RFID blocking card layer. I think it's amazing accessories from Pitaka. The second, I have Pitaka Air Case, minimalist design and one of the thinnest fiber case for your iPhone. If you have, this is the package, necessary stuff, okay, and here is it, inside the case. Easy access to every button and of course your switches. You see, very light, minimalistic and amazing design. Very soft materials, sleek texture that also improve your grip if you are using your iPhone. Of course, there is a camera protection, and if you're looking for real military protection, there is another case. This is the very simplest and very thin case. And if I grab my iPhone 12 Pro Max, click, and here is it. Very thin, very elegant, minimalistic case for your iPhone. As I said, if you're looking for the real military protection, there is Pitaka MagEZ Case Pro 2 for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Because this is the military drop test MagEZ case, is one of the most protective iPhone cases on the market and is especially designed to be life-proof. Because if you looking to the inside, here is it, just box, okay, and you see there is 3 stretched together layer, a reinforced frame, and of course corner bumpers provide your iPhone 12 or another phone with the ultimate protection. Of course, this case is fully compatible with MagSafe charger and of course for another wireless charging or chargers. And you see it's very heavy, but on the other hand it's very minimalistic, thin and I think it looks great. Soft touch and of course imitation of carbon. Protect your camera and screen. Again, if I grab my iPhone, here is it. You see, very useful camera protection and of course the screen. I think it's amazing. And last but not least, I have something for your Apple Watch. This is the Pitaka Air Case for any Apple Watch. I have 6th generation, but of course it's compatible full with 5th generation, 4, it's up to you. And if you looking to the inside to the box, yeah, here is it. You see, it's very thin and light and of course durable Apple Watch case. No bulky Apple Watch accessories, just ultra thin and minimalistic design. Just protective frames for your Apple Watch. And if you're trying to my watch, and here, grab, and here is it. You see, I have the 6th Red One generation of my Apple Watch, and I think still look absolutely amazing. Everything is protected, like my screen, and of course the whole body of my Apple Watch. 100% carbon fiber. Amazing. And last, Pitaka carbon fiber bracelet links. Here is it. 100% carbon fiber. It's very light, very durable. That's amazing for your Apple Watch. Yeah, it's very, very light. And you see the sleek and very smooth texture styles for your Apple Watch. Compatible with all Apple Watch series and of course fits for any wrist, because if you see, here is the mechanism, very simple and use, and in the box here is a jack tool and new pins for your fits. For example, if you are man or woman, it's absolutely compatible for your wrist. Removing links with some tools. Yeah, I like it, and definitely I recommend it for you, this Pitaka bracket watch band. And that's it. 5 products for your better life and great accessories for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and of course for traveling, like traveling wallet from Pitaka, of course 2 cases, one Pitaka Air Case, very thin and very light, second Pitaka MagEZ Case Pro 2 for your MagSafe charger, of course some frames for your Apple Watch, and Apple Watch band links with carbon. And of course, if you like this video, I will appreciate your comments, of course your likes, and stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye.